Your car is shifting so hard it feels like you just got rear-ended, or maybe it is stuck in a frustrating limp mode that makes it feel like you are driving through molasses. When you see the P2765 code pop up on your scanner, it is the brain of your car telling you that it is having a serious communication breakdown with the input or turbine speed sensor known as. This sensor is basically the eyes of the powertrain control module, because it monitors exactly how fast the transmission input shaft is spinning by reading an electromagnetic pattern from a notched wheel. If that pattern gets fuzzy because of metallic debris sticking to the sensor or a wiring issue, the computer loses its mind and starts guessing on shift points, which leads to those bone-jarring gear changes or a speedometer that is jumping all over the place. To fix this, you should first look for any messy wiring or loose connectors around the transmission case, because these sensors live in a harsh environment. If the wiring looks clean, grab your digital volt ohm meter and check the sensor resistance against what the factory says it should be. Sometimes it is just a bunch of tiny metal shavings stuck to the magnetic tip of the sensor that you can just wipe off to solve the whole problem. Be careful when you pull the sensor out, because transmission fluid might try to make a run for it through the hole, and always make sure the mounting surface is perfectly clean, so the sensor sits at just the right distance from the internal gear. Addressing this quickly is key, because driving around with erratic shift points can eventually chew up your internal clutches and turn a simple sensor swap into a full transmission rebuild that nobody wants to deal with.